Hey guys, we received this Metka gift bows. So they are the pre-made present bows that you can actually stick on the gift boxes or any packaging. Just look good. Very great for the birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasion where you want to gift. So this is a ready to use peel and stick solid color bows. So you can see like there is a thing this on the top. So you can just remove this and stick it to someone else. Very nicely made bows, as you can see the quality here. So different colors, vibrant colors that you can use based on your thing, and they are just peel and stick. So I will show you that. So you see like this is written peel and stick. So just take out this cover and then this gum here or sticky surface that you can easily put on any gift. So say like this is a box and you can just put it on top of it. So it's really nice, looks really nice and stick very well and stick well as well. So nice bows.